Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to configure product image. First is uploading product images. For each product, you can upload multiple images, rearrange their order images, and control how each image is used. Open the product in edit mode, then scroll down to the image and video section. You can upload an image by clicking on the camera button, or drag it from your desktop. To remove an image from the gallery, tap the delete icon. You can enter a brief description of the image in the alt text box. Next is resizing product images. To enable image resizing, do as following. On the admin sidebar, tap Stores. Then under Settings, choose Configuration. Tap Advanced. Then choose System. To ensure all images have a similar size and look, Magento provides an image upload resizing option to ensure all images match a specific pixel size. Coming up next in our video is uploading product videos. Behixa. Connecting applications, automating processes,